Hello there. This is Gabriela. Okay, let's talk about how I can increase the treats. Okay, something really important. Sometimes people ask me before, long time ago, the best number was 10. Okay, because that means is like you having 10 people or 10 person doing 10 different blood for you. Okay, that's exactly the meaning of that um, on this part. Okay, but also going to depend on how powerful is your computer or your BPS. Usually, if you leave it like that, it's gonna be okay perfectly. You're gonna have a better rate result success. Okay, and but this is a little slow. What I do personally, I put it on 24 or 30. I use the Money Robot BPS are working perfectly. I have a really rate success rate on on that amount. But people sometimes would like to have something quicker, okay, or faster, really. And also they have a really powerful PC or something they can, rely on that. And they put it on 50. I never put it on 50. I think that's too much. But it will depend of everyone, and it will depend also of the PC and or BPS. Okay. I hope this give you a better idea about what it is. This a lot of other people click on out. I don't like to do that. Okay, I prefer to leave it like this and some number. It's gonna be better result, not on success rate, about the speed of your campaign. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Till next time.